How to lip sync with Heygen AI. Follow these instructions. Log into Heygen at heygen.com with your account to access the latest AI lip sync tools for creating realistic, talking avatars in minutes. On the dashboard, click Create Video or Lip Sync to start a new project in the Video Editor workspace. Upload a clear, high-quality audio file or type your script, then choose a natural-sounding AI voice from the library. Select an avatar from Heygen's stock library, use the Photo to Avatar tool, or upload your own custom avatar for personal branding. Let Heygen AI auto-sync the lips, facial expressions, and timing perfectly with your chosen audio or generated speech. Preview your video, adjusting timing, voice settings, and avatar expressions until the sync looks natural and polished. Thank you for watching.